The Synthesis Up version 2.1 is a free update for existing users. It comes with some improvements and a few small fixes, and it is adapted to the latest operating systems of Android and iOS. It also offers a set of premium features which are available as an in-app purchase. After you have installed the update, you can try out the premium features for free for some time. If you like to purchase them, tap on My Profile, then tap on Purchase the Premium Features. So the premium features consist of the possibility to consult the Materia Medica. In the English app, these are the English Burger Materia Medica, the Fatak Materia Medica, and Kent lectures on Materia Medica. You can also do a remedy search through the repertory, or you can do a combination of a remedy search with words, one or more words. And then you can search this through the repertory or only a chapter of the repertory. And you can save up to 100 cases. You can consult the Materia Medica in several ways. Tap on the tab Materia Medica, then start to type the abbreviation of the remedy, for example ARS. If you cannot find it, you can tap on the option button to search on the full name. Let me tap here on Arsenicum iodatum. It opens the Burger Materia Medica. If I want to read the remedy in another Materia Medica, I tap on the title of Burger and I select the other title I want. I tap on Fatak. If you want to change the font size, you tap on Font, and you see you can go 2 steps higher or 2 steps lower. I will tap on Medium and keep the same font size. You can also consult the Materia Medica with a tap on the remedy. I tap on Causticum, then I tap on Search the remedy in the Materia Medica, and it opens the Burger. And again you can select one of the other Materia Medicas. You can also consult the Materia Medica from the analysis. I tap on Clipboard. If the analysis is not yet shown, tap on Analysis. Then I tap on a remedy. Then I tap on Search the remedy in the Materia Medica. And here I have the Materia Medica again. If I want to compare several remedies in the analysis, I tap Back. Then I tap on the other remedy. I tap on Natrium muriaticum. And I can select Search the remedy in the Materia Medica. Tap Back and I'm in the analysis again. Let me tap on Lycopodium. Again I tap on Search the remedy in the analysis and I can view the Burger. In this way you can consult quickly several remedies which score high in the analysis. To conduct a remedy search, tap on Search. In the field for the remedy, you start to type the first letters of the remedy. So I type, for example, here ARS. Now note that ARS will search all remedies which start with ARS, so not only Arsenicum album, but also Arsenicum iodatum and Arsenicum bromatum. If you only want to search for Arsenicum album, you add a dot or full stop. Now be aware that some remedies are not abbreviations, so for example Apis or Hura do not need a dot. But if you want to search in one time several remedies, so the whole Arsenicum group, of course you can leave off the dot. To start the search, tap on the magnifying glass. And here is your result. Note the gear icon or the option button, where you can select, for example, the maximum rubric size or the degrees it needs to search. I tap on one of the rubrics to go to the repertory to that symptom. You can also do a search with a tap on the remedy. I tap here on Verraten, then I tap on Search the remedy in the repertory. And you see the result. I can also do a remedy search from the analysis. I tap here on Clipboard. If the analysis is not shown, you tap on Analysis. Then I can tap on one of the remedies I want to search through the repertory. So for example here, agaricus. I tap on agaricus and I select Search the remedy in the repertory. And here's the result. I can also search with a combination of a remedy and one or more words. Let me delete the remedy first. Now in the field of words, I type, for example, vomit. I do not need to type the T because it will search all words that begin with VOMI. If I tap on the magnifying glass, I will see the result. I can add a second word. I tap again in the field of the words, I tap spacebar, and I type, for example, water. And you see if I tap on the magnifying glass, it will do the search of those two words. Please also note the gear icon with the options. I tap on it and you can see that you can search through the whole repertory or in the current chapter. I tap OK to close it. Now in the field of the remedy, I can type, for example, BRY, Bryonia. To do a combined search of both fields, of the words and the remedy, I tap on Search Words plus Remedy. And here's the result.